What's up, you guys? It's Steven, the KC Rail fan here. So, I have another new locomotive today. This was a recently released new locomotive. This is the in-stock ScaleTrains Rivet Counter -9 locomotive. They have other -9s available for pre-order because they also got like UP, Santa Fe, and then more BNSF and Norfolk Southern road numbers. But my example here is the BNSF 4313 in the Heritage 2 scheme. This is actually, they have this in stock, and the other in stock is the NS 9692. So I'm gonna get ready to do an unboxing and review of this locomotive. So let's see what you get. So basically, it slides it off. Just slide it off like this. And I'm actually really liking the new lid design. It's really nice. It says prototypical ScaleTrains. It's got blueprints of several Rivet Counter locomotives they've done, like the turbine units, the SD40-2s, Tier 4s, and the C79-8s. It's really cool. I really like this. Alright, with that, we just set that aside. And then we got the operator's manual and the piece of foam. And there's the locomotive itself. So we'll get that out of the box. And right there. Just set it out like this. And it comes in this little Ziploc bag, which are extra rotating bearing caps. Since this is a Rivet Counter locomotive, it's got the rotating bearing caps. So we'll just set that aside. And then you're just gonna open here. Then you lift this part up, I think. And there it is. There's the locomotive. And it's got these things to protect the wheel. So I'm gonna try and get this off real quick. Alright, we got it off. And there it is itself. So we're going to get this locomotive on to the tracks, and begin the review. Alright, starting off with the review. So, likewise, the locomotive has correctly painted handrails. It's got ditch lights. It's got the ScaleTrains metal scale knuckle couplers, train line hoses, and MU hoses, nice accessory hoses and all that stuff. Grab irons, windshield wipers. The road number board, the number boards are nicely done, as well as the road numbers. It's also on the roof. It's got a round dome. But actually, since this is as delivered, it doesn't have like these little PTC, so you can install them yourself, which I might do sometime in the future. And likewise, it's got lots of amazing detail with the GE information, and then it's got the -9 port for CW. Row numbers nice done. It's got the 4-window cab. Because I've been trying my best to look for -9s with this particular kind, and they finally did one. So kudos for ScaleTrains. Well, the orange is nice. The orange paint is nicely done. And also it's the same thing with the lettering. Which is pretty cool. So let's compare it with my Tier 4 Jevo, which I have here, with the paint. So, paint-wise, between the Tier 4 and this -9, I think the orange is really nicely done for both the Tier 4 and the -9, so I think these two will run great together. So, we'll just have that out of the way. And for truck detail-wise, the truck detail-wise is really nicely done, and also the same with the fuel tank. And I really like the radiators; they're nicely done. And I think that they're see-through. So I'll just lift it up, and you can see. Yeah, they are see-through. So good job for ScaleTrains for doing that. And the smokestack's nicely done. I also love the horn right here. Get my camera to focus. It's a K3LA horn. Everything's done. They did a good job with this windshield, the sunshades, and the 4-window cab. So now we're gonna turn it around. So it's got the brake wheel just applied, nicely done, and they also got this little, I think this is some sort of battery box, which is correct on the Dash 9s, and they got the bell. I think this is a steel bell. The NS Dash 9s have the E bell, and for step one, the steps are see-through, as you can see. It's got the 5 steps, because depending on Dash 9s, it usually has either 5 steps or 4 steps, depending on road names. So, I think this is correct, and snowplow is nicely done as well. So, likewise, so let's turn this locomotive around and see how it runs. It runs very nice for being a DC ready locomotive. So the headlights are LED, which is really cool. So let me just because you know I usually like the LED headlights better than the bulb headlights on locomotives, so Rivet did a great job with that. And plus the locomotive's got rotating bearing caps, so as you can see, which is a really cool feature. So after all, I'm really glad I actually got the in-stock Dash 9, so I will look forward to my pre-order of a Norfolk Southern Dash 9 that should be coming in the summer. So once that arrives, I'll likely do a review on the NS Dash 9 when it arrives in the summertime. So hope you guys enjoyed the video of in review of my in-stock ScaleTrains Rivet Counter Dash 9 in BNSF 4313, and I'll leave you guys with a run by, and thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.